Support learners. Meet compliance. Reduce audit risk. LLND isn't optional anymore. Standard 2.2 is now mandatory. Assess every learner's language, literacy, numeracy, and digital skills before enrollment, and keep documented advice on course suitability. Nail LLND, and you protect learner success and stay audit ready. Miss it, and you face misplacement, rectifications, and last-minute fixes. Meet the VET Resources LLND Kit. Pre-validated, ACSF-aligned, audit-ready resources built to align with Standard 2.2. Assess LLND, including digital, map to ACSF, and record decisions in minutes.
Crafted with Eli COS experts and VET compliance consultants, you get qualification-specific assessment tasks, digital literacy activities, a student profile mapping tool, trainer marking guides and rubrics, plain English instructions, and an editable learning plan template. Instant download, fully editable in Word and Excel, and a one-time purchase for unlimited students, practical, time-saving, and built for real RTO workflows.
LLND is now mandatory. Request a free LLND sample now. Make your RTO audit-ready and best in class.